Hello everyone friends, on the car of Belor. Today I will show you how to fix the problem with an uninstalled audio device or an unfound audio device. Yes, a Windows 10/11 device. To do this, you will need to go to Windows Services. Here are the services. And here we will have to find Windows Audio and accordingly go to the properties. Here select Automatic and click the Start button. Since it is launched for me, my Start button is grey, but nevertheless, click Apply and Close. Next, if this does not help, you need to check the Windows Update or update the drivers from Windows. To do this, you will need to go to the Start settings. Next, go to the Windows Update. Here, find Advanced Settings, Advanced Options, or Optional Upgrades and update whatever you are here. Click the Download and Install button. Here, the next thing you need to do is go to the Device Manager if this did not help you. Device Manager. Right-click on Start and Device Manager. This is where we need audio here, and accordingly we need to select your speakers, and accordingly right-click, click Update Drivers, find drivers automatically, right? Or select drivers from the computer and click the Next button and install them. Now, if you don't have your audio device here, then click on Scan for system changes, and maybe you'll have your device and follow the steps that I said. But if this does not help, all that remains is to go to the settings. Or what calculator? Settings. Next, go into the system sound. Here we go to More Sound Settings, search for our speakers, and, accordingly, check what speakers we have. Right-click and make them the default device. Here, then go to the Properties, disable all improvements. Click Disable, click Apply, and check if we have the maximum level set here. And click the Apply and Close button. Here, you can also restart your computer. Alternatively, it can help, yes, just try to restart the computer completely from the outlet. First, turn it off through the start and then turn it on, but pull out the sockets and turn it on again. Sample, Baylor, bye everyone.